Chickpea fries, full of beautiful ingredients. Coconut oil, garlic, onion, cumin, some roasted coriander, and coconut cream. Bring this to the boil with some Earl Grey tea bags in it. Next, add your chickpeas and then chickpea flour, and this will make a stiff batter. It's going to need a lot of work. Stir it, beat it, make sure there's no lumps, but cook all the flour flavour out of it. 5 minutes probably, at least. Parsley and coriander sets it, and then it goes into the fridge overnight. You cut it into fingers or chips, and then fry them nice and crisp. Make sure you're gentle because they may break. The sauce is the star. We have white mustard, we have garlic, we have coconut oil, onions, and some Earl Grey tea. As you fry this tea and as liquid is added, it will start to brew. I've got in there also some chipotle and tomato and some wonderful dates, which will add sweetness and flavour. Blend it, make sure it's nice and smooth. Serve these with a sprinkle of Earl Grey and a cup of Earl Grey tea.